What's up, YouTube? Cassette in the house, and I'm back again. Yeah, woohoo! So there's been some things going on with my life, and I've been busy and have some problems in my life. Not too serious problems, but you know, school and New Year, Christmas, everything just blew me away. So like every year. So no, not every year, but I just needed a break from most of it. So I'm back again, and I'm really happy to be back again. Though I got a message for you guys, my subscribers, and all you new viewers. Though I don't have so many yet, things to come, hopefully. But I've done with Black Ops. Simply. That's that. I just saw Next Gen Tactics video, Guns for Hires video today, and he said he don't enjoy it. It's not fun to play, and I totally agree with him. The first week, couple of weeks, first month, 1 month and a half, maybe, I really enjoyed it, and I thought, wow, this is actually a great game. But now, the only thing that really stops me from playing Black Ops is the host migrations and the host. I always get some crappy host from China or something complete opposite of the world. So, and I always play with 2 bars, 3 bars in Black Ops, and I really hate it. And the hit markers, the hit markers when you talk to snipers, but the hit detection, you know, when it feels like people can shoot through everything without Hardnet Pro or anything else. Oh, look at that. And I really hate it. I really hate actually, I'm gonna be honest with you. The reason why I didn't post so many comments is because I was working on a. Yes, I have some problems, or did have some mature problems in not small problems in my life, and I was kind of working on a little Black Ops montage, but I think I did get like 10 360 shot, some no scopes from ladders, and all of them were just hit markers, and that's not entertaining to watch. And not really the hit marks with snipers. I think it's alright. If you want to snipe, take a previous Call of Duty game, but but the hit detection was so bad, man. It feels like if I run through around the corner and somebody shooting me, I die before the corner. If you know what I mean. I like, it's like my screen is 2 seconds behind or something, and that really pissed me off. And like, if you watch Godfire's video, he always says, or he's always said that Black Ops is more dark and heavy movement compared to Modern Warfare or Infinity's work. It's like crisp, like he said. It's fresh. It's clear colors, and you pretty much know what I mean. So if not, go check out this video. It's brilliant. Yeah. But I'm done with Black Ops. I don't find it fun anymore. It's not fun to play, and I always I only upload videos because I think it's fun, and I really love making videos, and that's why I keep going. And yeah, Black Ops just makes me angry and wanna, like, Guns for Hire. I'm gonna break my blow my Xbox up or something. It really makes me angry, and I feel that's not the way to play a game. It's supposed to be relaxing, entertaining. It's supposed to be a gaming style, and I don't think Black Ops gives that. I don't know about you guys, but if you want to like watch more Black Ops videos from me, you can just message me, and I'll probably do some, and yeah, I'll probably do some, but right now I'm really tired of it, and just because Modern Warfare 2 isn't the new game, and it's still fun to play like Call of Duty 4, though Modern Warfare 2 is more fun to play now than Call of Duty is, in my opinion, and just because it's an old game, like, yeah, I don't know, like, it's not like it's bad game. It's pretty funny and entertaining, and I really enjoy playing it, and I think that's the most important right now, important thing right now. And yeah, I don't know, leave a comment below what you think about Black Ops, because I think it's bullshit. I'm really disappointed, and yeah, now I can sit and relax. I wait to November 2011 when Modern Warfare 3 comes out. If it comes out, we don't know for sure yet, but and I'm not gonna hope that much for it to be a great game, because I know what a bad Call of Duty game is now, and that's Black Ops. So if they make a game as fun as Modern Warfare 2, I'm definitely gonna buy it. But yes, I got the Black Ops 2 days before release, and I was happy. I was one of the first in Denmark to play it, and yeah, but now it's just crappy. So, and I've got a couple of messages why I don't go into Prestige in Black Ops, and that's simply just because I don't see a point in it anymore. I'm thinking I not level Prestige 5? 3, 4, 5? I can't remember. It's like a flaming emblem, it looks like to me. So, but simply I don't see the point in it. You get one more class, and so what? You can buy gold cameras, you can go into prestige matches, and yeah, I don't know, and that you have to pay like 50,000 a cut price to watch the prestige leaderboard is just bullshit, man. Just give us a game already. And the most annoying thing about Black Ops, you may like it, but that's the emblem. You can create one yourself. I really enjoy creating them, but it's just like in every lobby you join, it's like one having a picture of a dick, or not dick, sorry, penis, and that's really, I think that's really annoying that people ain't that mature to play a game without involving sex or women and breasts. I don't know. I guess I'm just too old for that. No, not for that, but to draw pictures of that. So no, I'm not too old. I don't know. Maybe. No, I'm only 18, but I'm that mature though, so I can play the game like it's meant to be played and not create pictures of women's. Yeah. So yeah. So I know this game is from sorry guys. I know this game is from Modern Warfare 2, and this was my first game since Black Ops came out. Or kinda, it's my first game in like 1 month and a half. My very first game, and I think I performed quite well. I got a 10 KDR and radio and ratio, not radio. So yeah, I think it's alright. I'm not doing the best, and I actually forgot about the kill streak going. You just sit back and enjoy it. So yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm back, and leave me a comment or a message, and I will do my best to keep you guys up. And thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Take care, rate and comment please. Thank you.